Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am from FI University, Dehradun, currently pursuing my legal internship from Lexis and Company. So, today we are going to start the topic Rights of an Arrested Person. We all are aware that the police officer has the power to make an arrest, but these powers are not absolute in nature. These powers come with some restraint, and these restraints are known as the rights of the arrested person. So one by one, we will look into all the rights that an arrested person get. The first right is right to know the ground of arrest. As per section 50 clause 1 of CRPC, every person who is being arrested by a police officer without a warrant has the right to know the full information regarding the arrest. That is on what ground or on what basis the police officer has made an arrest. And even it's a legal duty of a police officer to provide such information without any delay. Even Article 22 Clause 2 of Indian Constitution provides that no person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informing, and that information should be provided as soon as possible. Now, moving towards the next right, that is information regarding the right to be released on bail. Any person who is arrested without a warrant and is not accused of a non bailable offense has to be informed by the police officer that he is entitled to be released on bail on the payment of surety amount. Once the surety amount has been paid, the person is entitled to be released. Now, the third right is right to be taken before the magistrate without delay, irrespective of the facts that whether the arrest was made with or without warrant. The person who is making an arrest has to bring the arrested person before the judicial officer without any unnecessary delay. The arrested person has to be confined in the police station only and nowhere else before taking him to the magistrate. Even section 76 states that there should be no delay, or in case of any delay, there should be extension of just 24 hours and not beyond it. Now, every person has a right at trial. Therefore, there's Article 14 guarantees that every person is equal in the eyes of law. Therefore, Article 14 gives a person a right that he or she could have a fair trial. That is, he or she could get a chance to prove herself innocent. Even there is a right for a speedy trial by the Constitution of India. In case wherein the maximum punishment that is imposed is 2 years, once the accused is arrested, the investigation for the trial has to be complete within 6 months or stopped or receiving by orders from the magistrate. Unless the magistrate receives and accepts, he has the reason in written that there is a cause of extension of investigation. Now, moving towards the next right, that is right of uh, a legal petitioner. Every person who is arrested has a right to have a legal petitioner. Even Article 22 Clause 1 of Indian Constitution states that it's a fundamental right. It's a fundamental right of an arrested person to have a legal petitioner so that he could prove himself innocent. Therefore, the last right is right to be silent. Article 20, Clause 3 of the Indian Constitution guarantees every person has been given a right against self-incrimination. It states that any person who has been arrested by an offen- by any of for any offense shall not be compelled to be an witness against himself. Therefore, he has the right to be silent. So, this end. Thank you. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.